What's up, you guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty
What's up, guys?
here at Rap Sesh. This week we are doing a crazy awesome project that I'm so excited for.
Oh, I'm excited.
No, me.
No, I'm
I
excited.
say it.
Yeah, but I'm really excited.
You would not. You show it.
It's one of my favorites. So the car we're doing is a wide body Porsche Cayman S, and we are doing like this crazy abstract kind of.
We'll show you what we're doing.
We'll show you.
It's pretty awesome. But this is like, how many wide bodies of these are there?
There's not many. I think there's only like 4 on this side of the country.
That's awesome.
So there's not many.
This is the low res. That's
Low res.
the name of his car. So
Yep.
it's the 3D low res design. We're gonna go take a peek in our print room and we'll show you what's going on there, and then we'll start slapping this thing down.
Yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be quite a challenge though, because we got a whole body kit to do as well.
And
The whole wide body.
yeah.
So we're doing the whole car without the body kit, then we're putting the body kit on, then we're doing the whole body kit. So it's gonna be quite a process.
Yeah, there is a lot of body kit, and the body kit and the bumpers are all just a primered surface. So we are, once again, we're gonna use that stuff we always tell you guys to use.
Pledge.
That stuff.
Pledge.
Yes. The Pledge Gloss Revive It Floor Shine. This is what we're going to use to apply to the surfaces of our fender flares, our aftermarket parts, our bumpers, all that kind of stuff that is not a gloss paint. And what it's going to do is make the surface just slightly more glossy, and that allows a better adhesion. So really cool trick. We tell you guys all the time. I tell you these things.
All the time.
Try it out. It's awesome. So let's go in the print room then, yeah?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Print Lab, guys. We are printing on our Muto America 1624X Rapper's Choice solvent printer. It's been an absolute blast having this printer and being able to do everything in-house now, so we've had a huge learning curve for sure. But yeah, you can see the print rolling right now. I've been printing the panels today. We are actually printing on an Arlon Illuminite reflective. So anytime light hits the wrap or flash photography, anything like that, it's gonna actually reflect back at you. And you might be seeing it now in the camera a little bit as it rolls out. So it's gonna be a really cool effect. It's just gonna go all out with this film. It is also gonna have a gloss laminate on it, and I believe this roll is a 48-inch roll. It probably comes in a 54-inch, possibly a 60 as well. We've worked with quite a few different reflective films from like Oracal. We did a 3M reflective last year. This is our first full wrap in the Illuminite reflective, so I'm really excited. Thank you again to Arlon Graphics. episode this week. We love you to the moon and back. If you want to follow our social media, make sure to check out Vinyl Vixen Raps and Rap Sesh AZ, Facebook and Instagram. You can also follow this car. I believe it is Jay Does It.
Jay Does It.
On Instagram, Team Low Res.
Yeah,
Is that like
Team Low Res.
Yeah.
It's like
Super cool.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to Glarb Designs for helping us kill this design, and Arlong Graphics for supplying the awesome reflective Illuminite film.
Yeah.
Love you.
This is like one of my favorite so far, like
Yeah.
graphics wraps we've done.
Yeah, definitely.
Like,
And
it's
it's about to
definitely-
go out to California like tomorrow to some big show. It's going to be like
Yeah.
in the main booth. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to get the flares back on. It's going to be awesome. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. See you next week. Whoa! I'm expanding to you.
Don't.